Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a phone from the Bluetooth system in the Touareg, in case you've got a new phone or you've just bought the vehicle and it's filled up with the other people's cars, telephones. So from any screen, into setup, you've got telephone here, click telephone. Bluetooth settings, telephone ideas, switch off telephones. So we'll try Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth audio, name, search for Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth device list. So you can delete all external devices here, but for this purpose of this exercise, Bluetooth device list. You see there Barry's phone, John's phone. So Barry's phone, delete device. Delete device. So that's it.